The Paymentsave Partner Portal is an essential tool for both office support staff and business development managers. In this video, you will find a step-by-step walkthrough of the entire process, from logging into the portal to successfully submitting a business lead. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL displayed on your screen to access the Paymentsave Partner Portal. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be directed to the dashboard. This is the central hub of the Paymentsave Partner Portal. While the dashboard offers many features, today's focus is specifically on the application process for onboarding new merchants. Look for the Applications section. Within this submenu, select Leads. To create a new lead, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Add New Leads button. You will be prompted to select the business type for the new lead. You can choose from limited company, sole trade, or others. Start by entering the legal name of the company or its registration number. Choose the director associated with the company. After entering the company details, the system may automatically populate related fields such as the company registration number, registered business address, and director name. For accuracy, if the trading address is the same as the legal address, ensure the checkbox is selected. Otherwise, you will need to fill out the trading address separately. Once all the information is accurately filled in, click the Next button at the bottom of the form to move on to the next stage of the application process. You can choose between card machine or ePOS. If the merchant also requires an e-commerce or virtual terminal, you can toggle the option to enable these additional services. Assess the lead quality and select from hot, cold, or warm. This helps prioritize the lead based on the merchant's interest and readiness to proceed. You will be asked if the merchant currently has a card machine with another provider. Select yes or no accordingly. After successfully submitting the lead, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen. To edit the details of a specific lead, click on the edit icon. You can change the lead quality between hot, cold, or warm. Update the legal name, trading name, or any other company-specific details if necessary. Ensure that the industry type is correctly selected from the drop-down menu. For example, if the merchant operates a grocery store, begin typing grocery and select the appropriate option from the list. Choose the terminal option based on the merchant's needs, such as monthly rental, outright purchase, Elavon terminal, or free terminal. Enter the monthly card turnover, which represents the total amount of transactions processed by the merchant in a month. This value is crucial for the cost analysis. Average transaction value, ATV. This is the average amount spent per transaction. The table below compares the merchant's current rates for different card types, such as Visa debit, MasterCard debit, Visa credit, etc., with the Paymentsave rates. The green sections indicate the savings, showing how much the merchant could potentially save by switching to Paymentsave services. After converting the lead, you will be taken to the opportunity screen. This shows the details you entered for the lead, such as the merchant's contact information, industry type, MCC code, and address, will now be visible in the opportunity section. Review this information to ensure accuracy. While inputting the annual business turnover and annual card turnover, make sure you put information here properly. If the merchant has specific pricing needs or agreements, such as a higher fee for international cards, include these notes in the Notes for Pricing section. For example, please set 2.75% for international cards. Enter or review the legal name of the business, which should be registered in the system accurately. Also, mark if the business is new to card process using the toggle option. In this section, you will be filling out the customer details accordingly. Confirm the individual's nationality from the drop-down menu. For instance, in this case, British is selected. Fill in the ownership percentage to indicate the portion of the business that the individual owns. If there is more than one owner, then it is mandatory to split the percentages in between. For example, if there are 2 owners, then the percentage section should split based on the discussion. Now, provide a breakdown of the merchant's business profile. Specify their annual business and card turnover, transaction values, and card acceptance ratios. Be sure to include details on whether they accept card not present, CNP, payments or e-commerce payments. Enter the customer's bank details and fill up where necessary. In this step, you'll enter details about the site visit, including the location type, specific location, and the condition of the premises. You can also specify if the merchant lives above the premises and add notes about the business environment. At this stage, upload at least 4 types of documents to verify the merchant's identity and address. These documents may include proof of ID, proof of home address, driving licenses, or utility bills. Ensure all files are in the correct format. Finally, review all the information entered throughout the process. If everything looks correct, send a signature request to the merchant by clicking Send for sign. If any changes are needed after sending the signature request, you can have the internal team amend the information before resending. Once the merchant signs the document, click Submit to onboard the business.